Hi, I'm Kenneth Williams. I live in Los Angeles. I'm a 74-year-old retiree. I was a champion snow ski racer. Was fortunate enough to have good coaching, and I was able to win some medals at a very elite level. I was one of the people who won medals more often than not. And I just love the sport. It's just been really, really wonderful. I've just been enjoying life up until not too long ago when I had an accident on my bicycle. Day in October of 2022, I was out riding my bicycle with two of my friends, and I had a very, very serious accident where me and the bike flipped over on the bike path, and I hit a little bump in the road, quite literally, and that flipped me over, and that caused me to have some setbacks with my health and my ability to do the things I love doing. So I was at a really, really bad place in terms of my feet. It keeps me from being able to really, really sense where I'm walking, my balance. It's excruciating, and there's just no relief. And I had been such a great, active person, and now I couldn't do it because my feet hurt. And so I was really, really at a loss for what to do. And I didn't really want to look forward to the rest of my life having to suffer with that. So when I heard about this thing called Signal Step, oh yeah, I was very skeptical because I had tried all these supplements, and I tried the vibration plate, and I tried the pads, and I tried all different things. And I said, okay, here's another one. And then when you pick these things up, they look like a little toy or something. And it's like, well, how the heck this is going to help me with my feet? It doesn't look like much to it. So I was very, very skeptical, but I said, oh, well, what the heck? I ain't got nothing to lose. And I'm very, very happy I got the chance to try it because, wow, I put these things on under my sock, on my feet. I was able to walk better. I had better balance, and it just enhanced my mobility significantly. And it was all because I wasn't battling that discomfort. And I actually do have hopes that I can return to the ski slopes and maybe even to my bicycling. I feel better about my future prospects of resuming some kind of active life, even if it's just to walk around the block with my wife. So Signal Step has just significantly improved, I guess you'd say, my quality of life. It just means I'm no longer, wincing and being this uncomfortable because my feet just didn't feel right. It's actually a revolution in technology and in relief from discomfort. I really think it's amazing new technology. If someone was on the fence about ordering or trying Signal Step, I would tell them, get off the fence, because the minute you touch down with your Signal Steps, you will never be on the fence again. I can truly get back on the active side and not just become a lump on a log. You will be glad you made the decision to get off the fence. And besides, the fence is kind of uncomfortable.